What's up, guys? We're gonna be doing this unboxing of this Smart Life with InReach tablet. So let's open this up. Ooh, look at that. I need to turn the brightness up a little bit on the camera. Can we turn the brightness up? I think this is about as bright as it could go. So let's take this out of the box. See what else we get in the box. Get nothing else in the box. So, oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So kind of a little bit haphazard, just for a brand new tablet that I recently picked up. So I recently got this because it was I got this because it was only $100 at my local Walmart. So I got it because it was available at my local Walmart for $100. So, which is pretty good for the price. $100. $100 is really good. So let's start taking a video.
Am I gonna bother you?
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you're gonna bother me. Alright, guys, so first impressions are mixed. First impressions on this tablet are mixed. So, mixed first impressions. First impressions on this are mixed. Let's set this tablet back on the tripod now and see how well the camera quality is on this tablet based on me holding it. So yeah, there's that.